Hi everybody, welcome back to the subject power system analysis. In this session I am going to derive the equation for static load flow. This static load flow equation relates to obtain the injected power in the load flow of a power system network, that is the real and reactive power in the load flow of a power system network. In order to obtain the static load flow equation, I am considering the n bus network. The buses, n number of buses I am considering. The bus number 1, bus number 2, bus number 3 and going on nth bus. In between that 3 to n I am considering the one more bus. Let it be the kth bus. These voltages V1, V2, V3, Vk and so on Vn, and the currents I1, I2, I3, Ik and so on In are the voltages and currents at the buses respectively of 1, 2, 3, K and N. I am considering the kth bus. This is the kth bus. The current injected to the bus K is Ik and the voltage at the kth bus with respect to ground, that is Vk. So the complex power, let it be indicated as the S suffix K. From this diagram I am considering the kth bus separately. This is the kth bus. All the incoming lines and the outgoing lines connected to the kth bus is given here. The generator 1, generator 2 and generator 3 is connected to the kth bus, and the loads are taken the supply from this kth bus. What I am saying here is, this bus is the intermediate element in order to connect the all the incoming lines and the outgoing lines. And the total current, that is the Ik value injected to the kth bus, that is by these incoming lines and these outgoing lines. The generator 1 connected to the kth bus, that means this generator 1, that is Pg1 plus jq1. For the generator 2, Pg2 plus jq2. Generator 3, Pg3 plus jqz3. P represents the active power and Q represents the reactive power. This is the connected sources to this kth bus, and the loads that is connected here, that is light loads and the motor load. For the light loads, let it be the demand PD1 plus jQD1, and for the motor load, that is also a demand PD2 plus jQD2. Here the net complex power S suffix K injected by the source into the kth bus of power system is, it is represented as S suffix K is equal to Pk plus jQk. It is equal to Vk into Ik conjugate. This P represents the active power and the Q represents the reactive power. This complex power is equal to V into I conjugate. We are considering the complex power for the kth bus. That's why the voltage and the current for the kth bus is already represented as Vk and Ik. So we have to be placed V and I as Vk and Ik conjugate, where k is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on n. The load flow problems is handled more conveniently by using of ik rather than the ik conjugate. Taking the complex conjugate of equation 1 in order for obtaining the ik rather than the ik conjugate is the conveniently obtaining the solution. The expression 1 it is getting as sk conjugate is equal to vk conjugate into ik. By the rearranging of this expression, ik is equal to sk conjugate by vk conjugate. K value is running from 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Consider as equation number 2. In order to obtain the value of ik, I am considering the matrix representation for the general expression, that is I is equal to y bus into v. Here this I matrix, that is of the order n into 1, n by 1, is equal to y bus, that is of n by n matrix, and the v, that is the order of the matrix is n by 1. We have to represent it from this, the sigma of I is equal to 1 to n yki vi. That value is equal to sk conjugate by vk conjugate. Let it be the equation number A. I am elaborately represented the matrix order. This I of the order n by 1, this y bus, that is of the order n by n, v bus, v value, that is v matrix, that is n by 1. This I is equal to n by 1, that is I1, I2, I3 and going on. We are considering in between the one the kth bus, that is ik and so on in, that is the n by 1 matrix. E is equal to the y bus matrix, that is n by n. Okay, that means y11, y12, y13 and going on y1k and going on y1n. The second bus, that is y21, y22, y23 and so on, y2k and so on, y2n. And for the third bus, y31, y32, y33 and so on, y3k and so on, y3n. And so on for the kth bus, yk1, yk2, yk3 and so on, ykk and so on, ykn. And for the nth bus, yn1, yn2, yn3 and so on, ynk and so on, ynn. This is the y bus n by n matrix. And for the v matrix, that is of n by 1 order, that is v1, v2, v3 and so on, vk and so on, vn. I am considering for the kth bus, that is ik value. I need to be produce the value of ik. I am considering this particular one, that is the ik value is equal to this matrix of this one, this particular voltage. It is written as for the kth row, ik is equal to yk1 v1 plus yk2 v2 plus yk3 v3 plus and so on, ykk vk plus and so on, ykn vn. That is the third equation. Substituting equation 3 in equation 2, the equation 2 is ik is equal to sk conjugate by vk conjugate. Already we are getting the value of ik here. You substitute this value in the second equation, we will get the expression as yk1 v1 plus yk2 v2 plus yk3 v3 plus and so on, ykk vk plus and so on, Ykn Vn is equal to, the value is Sk conjugate by Vk conjugate. Presented or rearrange this expression as sigma running from I is equal to 1 to n, I is not equal to k, Yki Vi plus Ykk Vk is equal to Sk conjugate by Vk conjugate. Why I am considering this I is not equal to k? I am not including this Ykk Vk value in this term. That's why this expansion value as the summation, in that summation quantity we are omitting the value of Ykk Vk. That's why we are represented here sigma I is equal to 1 to n, I is not equal to k, we are omitting this value. Observe clearly, I is not equal to k, that's why I is not equal to k, that means this I Ykk Vk we are omitting, I is not equal to k, Yki Vi plus Ykk Vk is equal to, what is the expression here? Sk conjugate by Vk conjugate. I am rearranging this expression as Ykk Vk is equal to Sk conjugate by Vk conjugate. This term we have to be moved to the right hand side. This is the positive one. When this one is thrown to the right hand side, it is getting as negative. It is as Sk conjugate by Vk conjugate minus sigma of I is equal to 1, I is not equal to k to n, Yki Vi. In order to calculate the Vk, I am thrown this Ykk value to this side, to this right hand side. This Vk is equal to 1 by, this is the product form, it is thrown to this one, it is getting as 1 by Ykk of the remaining term. The remaining term is Sk conjugate by Vk conjugate minus sigma of I is equal to 1 to n, I is not equal to k, Yki Va. In this one I am substituting the value of Sk conjugate. Already we are having the value of Sk is equal to Pk plus Jqk, Pk plus Jqk. I am considering the Sk conjugate, that means this positive value is getting as minus Sk conjugate value Pk minus Jqk. That's why I am substituting here Sk value as Pk minus Jqk by the remaining quantity is same, Pk minus Jqk by Vk conjugate minus sigma I is equal to 1 to n, I is not equal to k, Ykk Yki Va. Okay. Then after, in order to obtain the inject power, that is real and reactive power in the load flow of a power system network, we are having the expression A, that is Ik is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n Yki Vi, that is equal to Sk conjugate by Vk conjugate. I am multiplying on the both sides, that is the Vk conjugate value. In this expression A, this expression A is getting as Ik is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n Yki Vi into, I am multiplying this quantity Vk conjugate on this side, left hand side, and the right hand side also I am including the Vk conjugate, and this Vk conjugate and this Vk conjugate are cancelled, and this expression you will consider as equation B. Then after this one I am represented as, that is the Sk conjugate is equal to, this Sk conjugate is equal to Pk minus Jqk, that is of the remaining term, that value is sigma I is equal to 1 to n yki vi into the vk conjugate, the vector of yki, the vector, the vi vector, the vk of vk conjugate vector quantity. This is the equation number C. I am represented this one in terms of a polar form. That means I am considering the magnitude and the phase angle of these quantities. For the yki, I am considering the phase angle is theta of ki, and this vi I am considering the angle is let it be the delta I, and for the vk I am considering the angle is delta k, let it be. That means I am represented this expression in terms of a polar form, that is pk minus jqk is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n, the magnitude of these quantities, that is mod of yki vi vk at an angle of theta ki plus delta I minus delta k. I am rearranging this one in terms of an active power and the reactive power. I am separating here, that is pk is equal to, for the active power I am getting the cosine of the angle, and for the reactive power I am getting the sine of the angle. That is finally the active power expression pk is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n, the mod of yki vi vk cos of theta ki plus delta I minus delta k. Why I am considering this minus I here, delta minus k, delta minus delta k, that means we are having the conjugate here, that's why I am considering here the minus negative sign. I am not considering this negative sign in this magnitude. If I am considering this conjugate value, that minus value in this magnitude, we don't consider that one in this angle. I am omitting that negative value, that conjugate value, that is the negative value in this magnitude quantity. That's why I am represented here this, the phase angle is the negative. Then after, regarding the reactive power, that is the qk is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n yki vi vk, the mod, and sine of theta ki plus delta I minus delta k. These two are the expression for the active power and the reactive power. The conclusion of this topic is we are considering the network, power system network. In that power system network, we are obtaining the expression for the injected power. That injected power, that is in terms of a real and the reactive power. The final expression is pk is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n yki vi vk mod value, the cos of theta ki plus delta I minus delta k. Similarly, the qk is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n yki vi vk, the sine of theta ki plus delta I minus delta k. We will meet in the next topic in the next video. Thank you.